Hey guys, today I have with me the Samsung Galaxy A03s. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch TLS-TFT LCD display having a pixel density of 270 ppi and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Samsung Galaxy A03s has a bezel-less notch display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a centre. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy A03s comes with a 13-megapixel triple camera setup at the back. On the bottom, you will see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Samsung Galaxy A03s comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 3GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 32GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy A03s offers a 5000 mAh battery. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 13-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 13-megapixel primary camera supported by a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 5-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Samsung Galaxy A03s is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching this video.